What is progressive overload?
The progressive overload is the key principle behind building muscle and strength. It means gradually increasing the demands you place on your body so your muscles adapt and grow. Traditionally used with weights, this method can be applied to body weight training by making exercises more challenging over time to ensure you keep getting stronger.
Ways to increase body weight exercise. Difficulty.
To achieve progressive overload without weights, you can adjust various workout variables. Options include performing more repetitions or sets, slowing down your repetitions to increase time under tension, shortening your rest periods, or choosing harder exercise variations, such as moving from knee push-ups to standard push-ups, or even to archer or one-arm push-ups.
Tracking your progress.
Keeping track of your workouts helps ensure progressive overload. Record your reps, sets, exercise variations, and rest between sets. Aim to improve these numbers gradually. Small increases, like one extra rep or upgrading to a tougher exercise, demonstrate progress. Regularly reflecting on your training data keeps you motivated and shows where to adjust for continued gains.
Using exercise variations for growth.
As your strength increases, switch to more challenging bodyweight variations. For example, after mastering regular squats, try pistol squats or shrimp squats. With pull-ups, work toward archer pull-ups or slower negatives. These progressions force your muscles to adapt, maintaining the cycle of improvement and avoiding plateaus.
Balancing overload with recovery.
While pushing yourself is important, so is recovery. Adequate rest, sleep, and proper nutrition allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger after each session. Listen to your body to avoid overtraining and injury. The combination of consistent overload and sufficient recovery is the foundation for lasting strength gains in body weight training.